Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things, what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you found the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? And did you have to pay that fine? If you were dodging all the time, are you still dizzy? 'Cause since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, Valerie. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things, what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, 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 oh, Valerie. Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Louise, what do you think of Morgan's performance?
Morgan, I think you've got a really lovely voice in there. I think, were you nervous?
A little bit.
Yeah, you could see that you were a bit nervous, and I think it did show, but you don't need to be nervous because you've got a talent there. You just have to have a bit more confidence in yourself. We are here. We're not here to rip you down. We're here to work with you and help you grow as a person and as a musician. So anything we're going to say to you is going to help you in the long run. So don't try and work on your confidence a little bit and just put yourself out there. Just give it your everything, because you could see you were nervous. But you've got a lovely tone. And be careful not to kind of rush in places. I think mostly at the beginning, but that's probably just nerves. But like I say, you've got a lovely tone. There's definitely a talent there. So just have a bit more confidence in yourself. But well done.
Thank you.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree. You came in quite confident at the beginning, and then you sort of seem to like lose your oomph the more into the song that you got. But you've got a really nice tone, and I like the way that you look as well. I like the fact that you've made effort, even though it's just an online audition. I like the fact that you stepped up and you've made the effort for that. I think you've got loads of potential. I think there's a lot that you can do with your voice. I like the quirkiness. I think that you can. You'll be able to take songs and make them your own because of that. You'll be able to put your stamp on them. And I'm interested to see exactly how you can do that. So I really enjoyed that. I think it gave us a lot of insight into your voice and where you are right now.
Thank you.
Yeah, Morgan, I mean, from just seeing you in the call now, you seem like somebody who's been getting into music for a while now. You know, you've been figuring out who you are and putting yourself out there and this sort of thing. But I think what you've got to remember when you come into something like this, for example, when you're auditioning for something, is I completely understand like the fear of what other people are going to think, sort of thing, you know, and that's probably why I don't feel like you're typically usually like a nervous person. I think it's just because this is an audition, there's no music, and I think you just on the spot is like, whoa, this is different, you know. But that is part of the industry. We all go down different lanes and we all got to go through different experiences and learn different things. Everyone's always going to have an opinion on all of us as artists, you know, and you mustn't let that fear you. You've got to just say, do you know what? Louise is going to have an opinion. That's her opinion. Kelly, Joey, and the same with you, with vice versa, you know. It's nothing wrong with people having an opinion. So don't let that ever fear you or cloud who you are as an artist, right? Because that's just people's opinions. Other than that, I definitely think there's a voice there. I definitely think you've got talent, 100%. If from year on out, I wanted to, because I feel like the sort of songs I can feel like you right now, you kind of do the sort of classic songs that people do, the typical songs. That's just the vibe I'm getting. I don't want you to do that. I want you to try something that you haven't tried. Try songs that you wouldn't pick, you know, because I want to test you. I want to see what you can do a bit more with what you can do as an artist. All right, so just take that on board. Other than that, we're going to go to a vote. All right. So, Louise, yes or no?
I'm going to say yes, Morgan.
Kelly?
Yeah, I'm going to say yes as well.
I'm definitely going to say yes too, because I want to see what you could do vocally more, right? So, well done. You're through to the next part.